Hello, thanks for joining the Motley View. We're back again to show you what we've been up to. We went to Old Fort in Manchester, Tennessee.
All right, we're out here at Old Fort, getting our hike on. Came to go see the waterfalls for Jules' birthday. Happy Sunday. I'm out here on this rock by myself. Everybody else is still at the other waterfall. Look at that, y'all. That's beautiful. Tune is gotten. Look at that. Thank you, Lord. It's Sunday. Beautiful. That's how we do. Old Fort, Manchester, Tennessee. Oh, that's beautiful. The gang is back there. Here we'll do a video. As you see, there's water right there. I don't know if you can see. There's a person through there. Where did she go? And the waterfalls before are just back there. There's the group. I think they did this right here. Yeah, take that to this rock. He's doing it, folks. He's going in a slide. Slide to the right. Uh-oh, we got another one. Slow down, Donald. No rush. I know you like my nerves can't take it. Is it steep right there? How you gonna get back up is my other question. Here we are.
You're right, Joel. Jesus is right here. Yeah. He's hanging out. If we want to meet him, we need to come here.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, how are y'all? They're gonna get in that water and float. Float on, float on.
Maybe you still got that frozen water.
I do.
That's what it is. That water's so cold, it kills me.
Trying to get another one. Show y'all my Moses cane that I picked up as soon as we got here in the parking lot. Here's another little waterfall. And that's what it is. All right. We got this fan here. My baby bought us. It lights up too. I don't have it on.
So I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen so far. Just to give you a little bit of information, this is south of Nashville, about 45 minutes to an hour south of Nashville. And Tennessee has a lot of different waterfall places that you can see, lots of hiking, lots of camping. So anytime that you may be in the Tennessee area, there are things to do. And we decided to do something different. We weren't try to social distance, as you can see in some of the group photos, as much as we could. safest step. We did try to social distance as much as possible, and all of us did have our masks with us, but we all felt well. And it's been about 2 weeks since this trip when I'm making this video, and we all are doing fine. So just be careful when you're out there during this time.